Day 4, live trading until $25,000 payout with Top Step. So this is where we're at on the balance today. Now gold today, trash. So not looking at gold whatsoever. Open is in about 3 minutes. So we're gonna see what we can get. And this is where we're at right now. So I traded Monday, Tuesday. Today, ridiculous. Traded gold this morning, very early, and like I hit a 1-to-1 on TradingView, but not on Top Step, so I didn't close my profits. So it's literally right here. I took a breakout perfectly. It swept this high right here, and then tapped a 15-minute supply right here, literally perfectly. And stop loss like this, take profit. See, my entry is like barely lower. I was like one tick away from hitting my 1-to-1. Crazy work. That shit, like, I'm not gonna lie, that shit irritated me. It's kind of crazy because the entry on the setup hits 1-to-1, but my entry that I got in at doesn't hit 1-to-1, so I didn't close at 1-to-1. When I did hit 1-to-1, but I didn't hit 1-to-1. So it is what it is. It's part of the rules. 1-to-1, and then I can close some profits. Leave the rest at break even. That way, stop losses at break even can't take me out or can't lose any money after I already closed some profits. So it is what it is. And I mean, just look at gold. Look at this. I mean, come on now. What are we doing? This is clear range. No good. No thank you. Yesterday was, damn, I don't even remember what I took, bro. This is how it goes. Monday I took this. Where's it at? It's January 6th. What is today? The 8th. Okay, yeah. So I didn't trade yesterday. That makes sense now. So the morning of Tuesday, I took this setup right here. It was a 13 EMA. I got in somewhere near here, somewhere in this area. No, that's wrong as well. That's wrong. So this was the first setup, the first breakout that won initially, but I took this 5-minute demand here. After we got major break structure, pretty clear, broke both these highs right here, double top. Initially we had this break structure, broke up, came back, 13 EMA rejection, almost tapped the demand zone, didn't tap it, gave a major break structure, breaking these two highs right here, pulls back to the demand zone, took my buys right here off this demand, stop loss here, easy 1-to-1, stops me out, break even, unfortunate. This is like perfect setup for a very high RR trade, so it is what it is. And then Monday was this trade. I love this trade here. Sweep this low, bullish structure, come down, sweep below, liquidity, and then we push up, and then same exact thing, break this high, come down, reject, 13 EMA right here, rejecting 13 EMA, took buys up in here somewhere, stop loss below this, higher high, higher low, higher high, clear support here, just drag it over, and I mean, it's literally textbook, literally same exact setup. So gold has been pretty decent, and look at it again. This was a buy signal over here. Look what we're doing. Like, look, just horrible. So I'm cool with that. Russell right now, we do have support here, some support, looking pretty well. Basically breaking retest, broke structure, coming back down, retesting here on the 4-hour. So we could be bullish. Not too sure. I gotta wait for this price action to do what it needs to do after the open. And who knows, maybe I'll trade NASDAQ today. So we're just have to see what Russell or NASDAQ will print. So alright, so we finally got a setup. Now this is the demand zone right here, 5-minute. We got a major breaker structure here, and Russell kind of went crazy today. Obvious breaking retest, and just immediately off the open just ripped. So I mean, nobody would have guessed that. It is what it is. We just wait and see after the open what's gonna happen. You can't really predict the open, so that is what it is. NASDAQ complete opposite today. I was willing to trade NASDAQ, but I don't know. Today's interesting. But the one thing that I like here is NASDAQ could do a pullback to the upside, which gives confluence for Russell to push up, especially after making this newer high. And we got a little bit of ways to go to all-time highs. This should be all-time highs, so I like this demand zone for sure, but I need it to tap. It needs to come down just a tiny bit. If it comes down a tiny bit, let me get a break of the candle entry and I'm good to go. So this will be my first time trading Russell for this year. So let's see if I can get my entry. We literally got exactly what I wanted, exactly what I needed. Pull back into the demand zone, tap it. Now I'm waiting for a break of the candle, so I'm going to put a stop buy right at the break of this candle, just like that. Yeah, so just right there. And let's see. Hopefully I get filled on this. Just trying to make back my loss, pretty much. So it should be about $200 risk. And let's see, it could totally just pull down. Because, I mean, look at the push up. We definitely could correct it, but plenty of times I've seen Russell form a demand zone very high, tap demand zone, and just continue up. Like, crazy work. Especially today. Major breaker structure. Got some room to push up a little bit. Some gaps we can fill up here. This is pretty high, but let's just see. There you go, man. So let's see, 270 risk, decent. My fill is pretty bad, but it's all good. First Russell trade of the year. Let's see. All right, so we're looking pretty good so far. We're pretty close to 1-to-1. I'm really not just saying too much. I mean, it's just stressful. I'm not gonna lie. I up my risk, so I up my risk on my personal account. So personal account is like, this is real money fluctuating. Like I'm up 700 right now, so I'm only halfway there. So once you up your risk, like it's not a game. It's really not. So that's why I'm kind of just like, that shit gets stressful, bro. I'm just not used to it right now. I'm not gonna lie. Kind of interesting psychological aspect of it right now. Maybe just that break and upping my risk. Definitely beautiful push. Definitely I'm like speechless. What it is about the psychology right now, but it is, these trades are just something. And I might just close here on, I'm just gonna go break even here. Almost a flawless week. Almost a flawless week. It's just gold. And gold got me today. Tragic, but pretty damn good. There you go. There's my 1-to-1. So start selling these off. There we go. I'm leaving one break even. Do I want to close my personal? I'm gonna leave one running, and I'm gonna close everything else. Pretty decent. But yeah, that was it. Pretty solid trade for the first one for Russell this year. I might trail my... Yeah, I'm gonna trail it very tight. Cause I'm good, bro. I'm good on the week. Like, first week, flawless week. Damn near flawless. Just gold on one trade, but I mean, I already made all the money back and everything, so it's cool. Not too worried about it. But yeah, 1-to-1, like, yeah. So yeah, that'll probably be it for this video. I mean, it's already over. Pretty much over. Just a little runner. But, I mean, bro, it's good. I'll take my break even. That was tragic today, what happened, but it's good. We're gonna see if I can get this payout.